cryptocurrencies than to blockchain technology. Despite many obstacles, the blockchain technology is growing day by day. The modern internet is focusing on cryptocurrency investments in the investment market, and blockchain is becoming the cornerstone of modern innovation with the potential to revolutionize the world. Recognizing this potential, Coinolix have assembled a professional team of aspiring entrepreneurs and experienced investors to create a comprehensive blockchain trading platform. Since cryptocurrency is designed for mainstream use, their platform wants to be a stop shop for clients looking for high returns. They want to create a user-friendly system that includes both traditional and blockchain-based assets. In today's market, there are two types of exchanges: fiat currency-based exchange and pure cryptocurrency-based exchange. Will focus only on pure cryptocurrency exchange, a fiat-coupled solution for cryptocurrencies. Coiname, a fiat coin, a peer-to-peer cryptocurrency design derived from the proof-of-stake consensus to ensure network security. Each USDC is given in a 1-to-1 ratio by the respective asset reserve held by the Bank of the Coinolix Limited. This cryptocurrency is redeemable or exchangeable for the reserve of assets that follows the terms and conditions of Coinolix Exchange Limited. It wants to be transferable and payable, much like some other cryptocurrencies. About architecture, trade frameworks should be developed at the earliest stage with safety, effectiveness, speed, and adaptability. Many stock exchanges often choose the easiest way to deal with the framework. While this might work wonderfully in the early stages of developing activities, the framework is not ready to cope with the increased network load. This often suppresses the underlying evolution of the exchange, but is fundamental to long-distance performance. About liquidity, as the crypto business is so new, there is not much liquidity. Having a bad order book means high slippage on cryptocurrency trading, which is extremely expensive for traders. About platform security, almost all cryptocurrencies are immutable, and there is no way to change them. There are several exchanges lost due to hacker attacks. There are driven advances that would benefit the exchange for the recognition of the desired hack. Nonetheless, these advances are so expensive that they have no chance of accessing them, which means they are liable to almost any programmer with sufficient know-how. How to handle your security frameworks. And about customer service, language support, traders are a different child when it comes to users. Understanding the user problem is critical to a successful exchange, at the point where the replacement demonstrations would be unacceptable in a way that in the trader's confidence, resulting in a ton of user complaints. Cryptocurrency market has no limits. Most of the exchanges focus on only one dialect or one nation, and this leads to poor support for this international market. In addition, banks are hindering the unlimited trading choice of the stock exchanges due to the extreme volatility of the cryptocurrency market. Banks are actually doing it in the butt when it comes to checking user background. To solve the above problems, we need a comprehensive trade server. The matching engine of the Coinolix exchange is capable of handling 1,200,000 orders per second. The adaptive and extensible engine can be used in a few moments to a large number of trade requests. In this regard, the right machine can prevail with one of the fastest and safest motors on the market. This will help rescuing merchants from basic issues. About characteristics. Coinolix exchange will include spot market trading, margin trading, futures market transactions. Coinolix exchange supports multiple trading pairs. By and large, only money, customer base, and liquidity will be. Do you have any plan to add any fiat monetary standards at all? More coins will be included in the near future. Coinolix exchange wants to provide cross-platform device coverage, browser-based Android iOS app, PC trading platform, and Rust API. At the same time, Coinolix exchange will support English, Chinese, Russian, Japanese and Korean on all user interfaces. Additional languages will be over time. In addition, low transaction fees and safety. CLX token is an ERC20 standard token Ethereum blockchain. This multi-purpose document can be used both as a medium of exchange and for transaction fees, trading fees, withdrawal fees and listing fees on Coinolix exchange. A pure cryptocurrency exchange with world-class trading facility and Coinwa exchange, token holders can use CLX token to pay almost all type of fees including like trading fee, withdrawal fee, listing fees. Major crypto pairs are available to trade. When users utilize CLX tokens to pay for charges, they will get a significant amount of bonus. ICO private sale and whitelisting already started. Register through Theor website. Now my video today, this is the end. Subscribe to my channel. Good luck!